Hi guys, welcome back. This is Vishal. Let's talk about the BTC right now. What is the next step here? What we can see, right? So let's talk about the BTC. It still have upside, guys. It's so much bullish. You can see that right now it's the highest 99, 300, 99, 400, 500, 800. This is the lastest 99, 800. This is the highest bullish, highest level. All time high right now you can see. So our target will, you can see, we already buy from this area. This is the already break that level. These are level already break here, and this is a bullish pattern. We have a target here right now, 98 800, 98 800, 99 and 100k. But I want to tell you something. This is the red zone here. This is the red zone. Make sure close your trade one time here and wait for a retesting, and then you can buy from this area again. Make sure you have to close. This is, of course, this is the highest level here, 99 800. Break the level is very sharp, and you will see the very good wick, and continuously market can drop like this. And second thing, if market if hold there for a few hour like this, then we can see the market up movement, which is going to 106,000 easily. This is now our next target for a buying. But I already posted in Twitter. You can go there, check it out. This one I already posted here yesterday, which is good. We already have a good profit, and but this is a target. And when they see this fall is possible, one time this fall is possible in BTC, and then after that we can see the market upside. But if break that level upside, guide 99 800 and 100k, if hold their market for hours and for a day, that's we can see the market 106 is the last of the moving moment, right? Where's the danger zone? Let's make sure we have to close our trade one time here. We have to wait for a consolidation sideways, and then we can add our quantity for a buying. And if you see the sharp buying here and sharp selling very quickly, very fast. So make sure take care your trade here. This point is the very important, right? So I hope we already buy from this area, guys. Yesterday we already posted in Twitter also. This is our target here, but we can close our trade here, and if break that level upside, and then we have to wait for a retesting, and then we can buy again. We can keep till our positions open 106. This is the buying position. It's possible to high can break easily today or tomorrow, maybe easily. When they break that level here, when they retesting, and then we can buy again, right? So downside, what is the downside is prediction. Downside predictions I will show you here. If not break today or tomorrow this level, then we can sell from this area 100k, 99 800. These are the selling area. Then first stop here, second stop here, third stop. When you see liquidity grab, we have to see the big liquidity grab. This is bigger support level. When break the level of Bitcoin, every level he always break the support level, right? This is the support level here. I will show you here how is behave, how is react here. This is the support level here, right? This is the support level. Sorry, just wait. So this is the support level here. When they break the support level, always take the liquidity grab, right? So this is the support level here. Always, how is behavior? He always break the support level, not to going from the support level, liquidity grab, and then going up. How is it behave? Always like this, right? So this is the same things we have. When they break that level, we coming to this level, we have to wait for a bigger liquidity grab from maybe this area about the 79. Of course 79, yeah, 80 maybe the level of this one liquidity area here. I will show you. These are the liquidity crap area here. So this is the liquidity grab area. We can wait for this, but when they cover the liquidity graph here from this area, we can see the one wick It's a bigger wick like this, and very quick sharp buying, and then will go like this. So make sure when going the market this stage, this level, then we have to buy from, but buy from only from this area, guys. This is a good time to be a buying, keep a long positions for 100 to 100k. This is the good step. But right now, buying here, stop your buying, close your trade, then hold it. If sideways market here, then we can keep our positions open. And then the next target is a buying position, next target is 106th. And when we see here red candle, we have to sell continuously for downside. Maybe when first of all we have a first target here, if break that trend line, we can continuously keep our selling. If not, we can hold it and going up, right? So like this. So we have to follow the trend line. We have to follow only the trend line, not the support level, because support level doesn't work in BTC. Only trend line is work. Only trend line. Support level and resistance level never is working here. See, the resistance level did not break the complete resistance level, already retreat from their small area. Same things is when they break this resistance level, or of course it's break $1,000, maybe 100k will cross, and very sharp selling, yeah, very sharp buying is the very dangerous. So make sure hold it your trade, yeah, close your trade, yeah, trail your SL from this area. So I hope guys you like these videos. For this predictions is very important for this week and next week also. We can see the market 106 and 107, and we can see the market if fall down from this 101. We can see the downfall 86 level, and we can grab this liquidity from the 79 80,000 level. Thank you so much. If you like our video, subscribe and like and share also. See you next video, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much.